Guys, welcome back to my channel. You're gonna get a bonus video this week. I started a subscription service to Mindful Souls, and this is actually my second box. I didn't think to film. Well, I just ordered the first box and just checked it out. You know, I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it or whatnot. So this is my actually second box, and it's a subscription service, and I think the billing comes out the 7th of each month, and it is the 10th, and here it is already. I took the label off, so I'm not really sure where it ships from. I'd have to check my thing. So anyway, all I've done is cut the bottom tape. It has this sticker like, and I cut it. So we're going to open it up together and see what we got. Okay, and it says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And that's what it looks like. So this is a card. It says, encourage yourself, believe in yourself, and love yourself. Never doubt who you are. Stephanie Lawhart. And I think this tells you what's in it, but I want to be surprised, so we'll put that to the side. And this little postcard, it says Mindful Souls on the card, and it's affirmation for forgiveness. Forgiving makes me feel light and free. So I don't know if you guys are going to see that the right way, but that's what it says. It says keep calm and no drama, and it's a little sticker. Isn't that cute? Is that a llama or an alpaca? That might be an alpaca, huh? Well, that's just deer. Alright, so this is what we're doing. Okay. Sorry about the noise. Sorry about my smeared up makeup. Oh, it's shipping, packing, orders. Lipstick's all smeared from drinking. Not alcohol, but drinking coffee. Oh my gosh, it's a pillow sham with a zipper. This is really cute. And it's green on the back, like a turquoise. Look at that. It looks like geodes. You know, like when you cut open a piece of agate. How cute. Love that. Alright, so fragrant essential oil. And this is in Rain Song. Made from botanical extracts. Alcohol-free. Non-flammable. And I don't know where my glasses are. Of course. Okay, so it's a fragrant essential oil. Directions. Add 10 to 15 drops into one of those, you know, vaporizer things. Or 3 to 5 drops vapor. Shake well. Okay, so I can use that with my little steamer thing. Let's see what it smells like. It's called Rain Song. It's a pretty nice size. And it has a safety. Ooh. That's nice. Very nice. Oh, that will make the house smell wonderful. Alright, so this is what I'm down to. So this first little drawstring bag. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that. I guess we'll have to... This is a protective tiger eye bracelet. Tiger's eye is the most ancient talisman, mysterious and powerful. Traditionally, tiger's eye was carried as an amulet against curses or ill wishing and is known to give you courage, self-confidence, strength of will. It shifts your outlook so that you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Is there a new hobby you'd like to try? A solution to a problem you haven't considered? Tiger's Eye connects to the solar plexus chakra to ground you in the power you need and to inspire you to find the courage to pursue those ventures. These stones are profound amplifiers of energy, like most quartz crystals, and will boost the energy of other crystals you use with them. How beautiful. Okay, I can dig it. Try not to look at the other stuff on the card. Second baggie. These baggies are really cute. But I mean, I don't know what I'd use them for. Maybe just to keep jewelry. Ooh, I think this is carnelian. Look at that. It's a palm stone. You can tell I just cut my nails because when I soap, I can't have long nails. Let's see what it says. Oh, no, I'm wrong. It's red agate, circle crystal. In ancient times, the forces of the four elements were considered as some of the most powerful forces of the universe, and agates were justifiably linked to the earth element. Agates are universal balancing stones of subtle energies. They offer protection and are especially suitable for protection of children. Whenever needed, they help you increase your courage as well as your creativity and are known to be capable of enhancing your energy in waves. So it's very useful when there's a need to overcome a certain difficult situation in which additional efforts and extra resources are required. Sit quietly and hold your stone in your hand. Breathe in and feel agate's energy fill your body. Visualize your intentions for your stone. This is beautiful. All right, baggie number 3. These are like little cotton bags, and they have little mindful souls. Very pretty. I'll find a use for it. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. I've always wanted to learn how to wrap stones like that with leather cord or some sort of string. I prefer the string from the wire. I like the more rustic look. All right, I'm believing this is quartz. Wrapped raw quartz. It's the rock star among crystals. No better crystal for manifesting realities, programming intentions, or amplifying energies than a clear quartz stone. Universal healer, links to all the chakras to provide balance. My boob's sticking. To provide balance and harmony, and its ability to be programmed for manifestation is unlike no other crystal. Alright, so we'll go with that. I will show you. This was from last month, and it's an amethyst. And it's like, you can use it as a pendulum. And it has lots of nice energy on it. We'll put all the crystals on me and I'll just explode. Alright, last little baggie. Oh, almost dropped it. Oh, Look at that. I believe that's another agate slice. And that's got to be what the pillowcase is. It's an agate slice, see? Yup. I don't know what the black beads are, though. Blue agate slice necklace. Okay, so I don't know how to hold it. There we go. Look how beautiful. Alright, so it says, need an emotional lift? Love is the medicine to heal the world. And this crystal can help us return to our natural state of joy. Blue agate properties are linked with the heart chakra, which helps us heal by opening up energy channels to unconditional love. I lost my place. For soothing the pain and confusion that comes with the human condition. Agate can help if you find yourself in a situation where you find it difficult to forgive someone for the cause pain, despair, or bitterness in some complicated love or family relationship. This stone can help you find the necessary courage to forgive and forget. Wear agate if you feel yourself restrained under pressure or confined in your current obligations. Very nice. I will put it down in the description below. Look at that. And, where'd the other one go? There it is. I'll put all the information about this subscription box down below in the description. So if you're interested in ordering, I mean, not sponsored, but it should be. Anyway, these are so. This is a beautiful box. I think it's like $40 a month, if I'm not mistaken. And plus tax, it comes to like $42, $43 and change. And you get six to seven items. Usually, always a sticker from what I'm seeing. Always like a little affirmation card. The descriptions of all your things and a fragrant. I got rosemary in the last one. And I'm trying to think. I can't remember what else I got. Oh, another 2 bracelets, which you've seen me wearing before in one of my other videos. I think I put them in here. No, they're in my purse. But everything has really good energy on it. But for now, I'll take this off because I want to stain it. Or smudge, whatever you want to call it. This one's already smudged. I love this. This is amethyst. And it came in the last one. It's really dark purple. The camera doesn't do it justice. So, that's all for today. Little bonus box unboxing. So please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And I'll see you later. Bye.